everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits. You get lots of puppies, PA weather, and some life in there. It is Sunday morning, Mother's Day, so I hope everyone had an amazing Mother's Day. It is sunshiny out there, 59 degrees, getting up to 61. I always feel like Father's Day is the nicer of the 2 days. It always seems to get a little bit warmer by that time. Anyway, let's see. I am traveling again this week, so it's a bit of a busy week, but I'm not going to be gone as long, so I'm taking it easy and not even thinking about it today, actually. Haven't started packing, nothing. And I decided to take today off, so other than filming this little segment, I didn't do any videos today either. And for my outfit, I picked a fun pair of denim from Bahías. These are so different. Paired it with just a simple tank from Michael Stars in this gorgeous blue, and then put on an Evereve linen moto jacket on top of it. I got in a Trendsend. For shoes, how about these fun Dolce Vitas from a prior, I think 2 years ago now. Love these. I got those in a Trendsend as well. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace I've been wearing from my husband and my bracelet stack, and I'm off. Hope your week starts off fantastic, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. Yesterday ended up being so much prettier than I had expected, and today is gorgeous as well. So it ended up being like 61, 62 yesterday. Sun was out, blue skies, felt amazing. Today's the same. So it's 58 right now, getting up to 61. Blue skies, sun's out, feels amazing. I think by the weekend we're supposed to hit 85. Like what? That'll be amazing. Today my wantable short edit posted, so I hope you guys check that one out. And my stylist hooked me up with my shorts for the season. So I kept the Vervet tie front. I thought those were adorable. I kept the mica darker Bermuda. I kept the mica little light cutoff. I kept the mica denim, the long denim with the fun daisies on it. I thought that was adorable. I kept the lighter Bermuda with the finished hem. And I kept the black with the finished hem. So my stylist did terrific. And for today's outfit, I have on Good American denim from Evereve, paired with an L&A sweater that I got in my Trendsend that I love, the Illusion sweater. Love this one. Paired it with a Michael Stars, just nudish colored tank underneath. And for shoes, these are good. How about these? I love them with the seashells. I'm loving the Dolce Vita collection that has the seashells. I think these are adorable. And they have the little kitten heel. But it's wider, so it's nice. And then for jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me. I have on my mom's necklace. I have on a really small bracelet stack. And that's it. Off to work I go. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. The sun is shining. 62, getting up to 69. The gang is here. And for today's outfit, I have on a BB Dakota dress I got in a JB Stylebox probably a couple years ago. Paired it with a Nicky Bicky little tank she gave me to go with this one. I remembered it, and I think it works out perfectly. And then because I'm working from home, I threw this Evereve vest on top, so it's perfect for all of my work calls. And for shoes, how about these? They are by Marc, and I got those in a Trendsend probably last year. Just the same, I think I got this in a Trendsend last year, the beginning of this year. For jewelry, the necklace I've been wearing, I have no extra bracelets on today. I just was a get up and go kind of day. All right, we're gonna get to work and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is, let's see, 4:26 in the morning. I am off. And the weather today is supposed to rain. It's 54, getting up to 65, but cloudy and rainy. So hopefully it doesn't come till I'm done traveling. I hate driving in the rain. Anyway, and for my outfit today, I have on Good American denim that I got at the Evereve store. I have on an Anthropologie top that I'm in love with. I have on a seamless tank on underneath it. This one is really nice. You can see it. It's like really nice and like double layered and full coverage, but I like that it gives that nude vibe underneath this top, which has so much good stuff with it. And then I added a Skies Are Blue, I think it's Skies Are Blue, is it? Yeah. Leather jacket that I got in I think I got this one in a wantable. And for shoes, these are from Stitch Fix. These were so cute. They're Tom's. Aren't those cute? And then for jewelry, I have on my normal, the necklace my husband got me, and I want a bracelet stack, and we're off and running. Okay, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It rained yesterday, it's raining I think today, 46 degrees here as I leave, getting up to 57. And yesterday, my Liverpool and Dolce Vita video posted. I hope you checked that one out. I really enjoyed making that video. I love checking out all the Liverpool pieces. I think that I got a great positive reaction to it. So really fun pieces, worth a check out. And of course, Dolce Vita is my favorite brand of shoes, so definitely worth checking out their pieces as well. For my outfit today, I have on a pair of pants from Sanctuary that I got in a Stitch Fix. These are fun. Paired it with an Evereve tee as well as an Evereve jacket, both from a Trendsend. And then these shoes are also from a Trendsend. They're by Vince Camuto. I love these. And for jewelry, I have on the exact same jewelry I had on yesterday. The necklace my husband got me and my bracelet stack. And we are off. All right, I will see you tomorrow for Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday. We made it. We made it. It's Friday. The sun is shining. It's a bit warmer today, 54, getting up to 64. And this weekend is supposed to be pretty nice with a little bit of scattered showers, so we'll see how that works out, but we're getting warmer. And for Friday Funny today, this is a new thing the puppers like to do is they keep stealing my solar lights I have outside around the pool. I don't know why, but Dexter does it. Willie does it. Loki, not as much. But here's Willie. Grabbed one of my bigger solar lights out that I have that kind of shines onto something. And you can see it's chewed. They've chewed it. I keep putting it back. They keep stealing it. So he stole it. And he's very proudly carrying it around and can't wait to show Dexter, who also would like to get in on the fun. They're too funny, these dogs, I'm telling you. And for my outfit today, I have on White House Black Market denim paired with a Z Supply tank top and this fun jacket. I think it's from L Space. Yeah, from L Space that I got in a beach lay that I think is so fun. I really love all the embroidery. There's embroidery in the back. And then for shoes, I got these on from Vince Camuto, and they came from Stitch Fix, if I can get the words out today. Love the gold. All right, and then for jewelry, I just have on my normal necklace my husband got me, and I didn't even put any additional bracelets on, so I just have my permanent ones on, and we're off and running. I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It's beautiful outside already, 59, but it feels warmer, getting up to 77. It's going to be a really pretty day. And my Stitch Fix posted today, my stylist was Heather, and she's been doing such a great job because I already got the next one that I can't wait to share with you. So anyway, I ended up keeping 6 out of the 8 pieces. I know, right? So I returned the Z Supply midi dress because I couldn't switch out the size, and I returned the Pistola Kennedy cutoff shorts. So those are the 2 I returned. I kept everything else. The Barley knit dress, so great. The shoes, I love the shoes so much. So really, really great box. And for today, I am headed to breakfast with my friend. We're hoping to have like opening pool day today, so we'll see how that goes. And then I have a graduation party. My son's girlfriend graduated from nursing school, so I will probably be wearing this to the graduation party as well. I have on a dress from Z Supply that I love. I'm pretty sure I got this one in a wantable. And I paired it with a Liverpool jacket that came in a JB Stylebox. My shoes are these, such fun, right? These Dolce Vitas, you've seen them before. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me right now. I'll probably put more jewelry on later when I go to the graduation party, but that's my outfit today. And that's a wrap on Outfit of the Day. I hope everyone is doing amazing, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your favorite outfit with me. I can't wait to hear. And I will list all these outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes, and all the box links are in the description box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Loki's with us, and he has green feet because my husband mowed the lawn. Come here, buddy. Show them your green feet. He's so funny. That used to happen with Wyatt, too. When he'd go outside after the freshly cut grass. Look at him. He's got fuzz on his face, too, because they ripped toys apart. Can you see it? Yeah, there's fuzz. And look at his little green feet. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, Mr. Fuzz? You're so funny. All right. We will see you next time. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hide.